First of all, we've got to get the bow anchor out. This Boston whaler's got a windlass. So the first thing we have to do is release the cable on here, holding it on here. And then I've got a remote control that I can drop the anchor from right here, so I can hit the down button and down she goes. So there goes the end of the chain. Now we're into the anchor rod, the rope. Now what I'm gonna have to do, since I'm here by myself, is step back to the helm and put this boat in reverse and start backing up towards the beach. So I can hit the down button and just keep slowly backing up towards the beach. Now when I get back here shallower, I'm gonna wanna trim up my engines so that they're not getting into the sand. So you just get your trim button here on the side and you'll start trimming those up. And we'll just continue backing up, and then boom. There you just felt that plow anchor set. You're gonna feel it grab. So once it kind of grabs, give it a little bit of a pull to dig that anchor into the sand and into the ground.